Hello there guys, Chris here. Today I want to show you how to get started getting great audio from the A20 and even how to record directly to your smartphone using free apps and free amp sims. Let's go. Let's start by connecting the power. The jack with the guitar icon is your instrument input. I'll connect my guitar there. And here's the headphone out. This is what we will be monitoring through. Okay, we need more level. The big wheel in the middle is headphone monitoring, whereas the right side buttons are true input gain. In this setup, both will be louder since we're listening through the headphone out. Now I'd like to connect my smartphone to the A20 so that I can jam over a backing track. The simplest way is a USB-C cable, but you can use Bluetooth as well. And since the A20 passes power through USB, you can jam or stream without worrying about battery life. Now I want to try some high gain sounds. I'm using GarageBand on my iPhone for this, and my electric guitar plugged into the A20. When GarageBand asks, choose headphones. It routes the audio back through the A20 for proper monitoring. You will also be asked about turning on monitoring. Tap Turn on Monitoring or you won't hear the amp sim. Now I'll record a quick riff. Everything you hear is coming from GarageBand, both the amp sim and the drummer. After a couple of takes, let's hear how the recording turned out on my iPhone. The A20 includes features you don't usually get at this price range. For example, it lets you record and monitor in mono or stereo. Here I'm sending in a track I just recorded. Listen to how it changes when I tap the button. And at the end, I'll pan from right to left using an external mixer, so use headphones for the full effect. So this was just an example of a super basic A20 workflow. But once you get comfortable with the setup, you could dive into more advanced applications such as live streaming with various different audio sources, backing tracks and connections. Or why not record a full song on your smartphone? Happy recording!